burn is the most severe type of burn causing damage that extends beyond the skin to underlying tissue like muscle, tendons, and bone. Ang characteristic is appearance. The burn area will appear charred black, brown, and white with exposed burn or muscle tissue. Yes, pain pod ni siya may be absent because nerve ending are destroyed. Then, like, grabe na gud kani siya pagkasunog. Mabot na gud sa imong also sa imong bukog. Mabot na gud sa imong muscles ang kasunog like nana, like grabe na bitaw kay pagsunog. Di na gud siya madala. Third is a third degree burn is known as full thickness burn. Is the most severe type of burn damage all layer of the skin, epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis, and may extend to underlying tissue like fat, muscle, or even bone. Mano siya ang like damage na bitaw kayo pati imong layers sa imong skin pareha ng epidermis and dermis, then hypodermis, then underlying tissue like fat, like mabot na bitaw sa imong mabot sa fat o kanang muscles nimo pati or even kanang bone mabot na gud siya sa kainit bitaw mo na siya ng third degree burn, mabot na siya sa imong bukog bitaw ang kasakit ana. Then be absent because their endings are destroyed. This does not mean the burn is less serious. Like seryoso na bitaw ka siya na na third degree, dili siya paras bitaw sa first degree, like chill lang inana. Second is second degree burn is also known as a partial thickness burn, is more severe than a first degree burn and affect both the outer layer of the skin like epidermis and part of the second layer dermis. Dayon, ang appearance is blister like a second degree burns are characterized by the presence of blister, which are fluid filled sacs that form beneath the skin. Then redness, the burn area will red and flame gyapon siya. Then also kanang painful siya, it will be very painful and the skin may be sensitive to touch, like sensitive bitaw ka siya ikapon. Dayon like shy. Then next is a shiny most. The skin may appear wet and shy to a degree of the dermis na siya second degree burn. Our second topic module is burn classification and degree. First is first degree burn. Is the less severe types of burns affecting only the outermost layer of the skin. The epidermis is often referred to as superficial burns. Symptoms is redness. The burn area will be red and inflamed. Then second is like pain. It will be painful to touch, like sakit ko siya kapon. Then second is like mag-uga, like dryness bitaw the skin may feel dry and tight. Then so pag humana ng dryness is like magpanit-panit bitaw siya, like pila ka days, 2 days manata or 1 day mana siya, like after 2 days magpanit-panit na imong like panit bitaw inana. Then ang cause is like sunburn. The most common cause is first degree is kanang sunburn. Then kanabitang second is kanabitang mga hot liquid or stain can cause first degree burn, like for example kanang singaw sa kanabitang nilong bitaw na singaw na makakos na siya og first degree burn. Then ang usap pod ana is kanabitang kalayo mo na siya kanpot cause pod ana niya is like mainitan ka na bitaw mapasok ana man siya first degree burn. The last one is defense injury, also known as defense wound. Is an injury victim is sustainable try to defend themselves during attack. Ang cause niya is defend or caused by the victim action while trying i-defend bitan ni mo kagalingon sa akin nag-attack mo man siya tawag na kuan na defense. So need gyud nato kay like for example tunggabon ta at least kita maka-defense bitaw sa tong kagalingon na di ta maigo ana, like di ta maigo ng mga sharp things bitaw na ugsawa ka ng kutsilyo dunggabon ka, then at least ikaw nakinaibal na kabalo ka mo defense mo kagalingon, na siya defense injury. Next one is cutting wounds, also known as lacerations. Ang cause ani niya is cutting wood or typical object bitaw, like for example kanang like mga sharp things bitaw, for example kutsilyo, knives, or kanang razor, or pwede po ng kanang bitang broken glass, or even paper cuts bitaw, like kanang cutter mo na siya last kanang tang laceration is makanang last bitaw makakos siya og last mo na siya ang laceration wounds, mo na siya gitawag og cutting wounds. Next one is cutting wounds, also known as lacerations. Ang cause niya is cutting wounds are typical caused by like sharp object like knives, razor, like kanang broken glass, or even kanang paper cuts, kanang tawag na basta mo na siya, din man siya makakos og cutting wounds, like kanang last bitaw nana mo na siya cutting wounds. Next one is bone injury, also known as fracture. It's a break or crack in a bone. It can happen due to a traumatic event like for car accident, like nang for example malisgrasya ka, like maka-accident ka, so dili man na malikayan kung malay mabalay sa imong lawas hanap, like for example nabalay mo kamot mo na siya ng bone injury, or mabalay mong bukog, then it caused by fracture, so mana siya ang bone injury. Good evening everyone, I'm Cyril Lakbato. Our topics is physical injuries. First is abrasion. Abrasion or scrape is superficial skin wound caused by rubbing or scraping against a root surface. It's usually characterized by redness, pain, and minor bleeding. Treatment involves cleaning the wounds, applying antibiotic or ointment, and covering it within bandage to prevent infection once abrasion heal quickly. Like for example, abrasion is more siya kalabit ang gas-gas. For example, madagma ka, magasgasan magud ka na. Then also kanang makambras ka sa iring, then kanang kinabrasan sa iring is like malakra bitaw iyang kuko, so mo na siya abrasion. Next one is contusion bruise. It caused by broken blood vessels under the skin, leaking blood into the surrounding tissue. Then cause siya is discoloration like black and blue, then green or yellow, and swelling must heal on their own, but severe bruise need binical. Next is crushing wounds. Crushing wounds is severe injury from a heavy object. This can lead to broken bones, like kanang mabali mong bukog, then insignificant bleeding, like kanang dako bitaw kay pagdugo, mo na siya ang crushing wound. Mo na siya epekto sa crushing wound is like kanang mabali imong bukog, like they can lead to broken bone, mo na siya ang crushing wound.